Guys, if you didn't watch the future forecast this morning, and I'm going to start by saying this, I know you guys are like, Travis, what the heck? Like, you always push your membership so much in these videos. It's because we show you guys data that we never show you on YouTube. And we do that because people pay for it. So I'm sorry if you guys are like, man, this guy talks too much about this. Jake's going to come out with some videos today. He's going to show you guys a bunch of analysis. But I want to just let you guys know, I just did a video for all of our members here of how we plan on taking $1,500. I just bought $1,500 worth of crypto. Okay. And by the way, sorry, I'm so washed out in this video because the shirt is not helping me at all. I was realizing that when I was looking at my face on here. We bought $1,500 worth of crypto just this morning. Today is August 15th and we just bought it. We conservatively, let me listen to me guys. These are not like some clickbait stuff where it's like, oh, he's 5x multiples. No, I truly think we can turn this $1,500 into $8,000, or let's make this relative to you. Got an extra $5,000, got an extra $10,000. I think we can turn it into 5x by November, December of 2025. Again, I'm not being overzealous about this. And by the way, all of these 5x multiples, the price of the coins that we got into do not need to hit previous all-time highs. That's how conservative I'm being. So when you guys see me come out here and you see these thumbnails, how I'm turning $1,500 into 8,000 5x multiple, truthfully, I will show you guys what I'm going to be buying over here. I'm going to give you guys data this morning. Actually, how about this? I'm going to give you guys, I'll give this to you guys this morning. This is something we went over. We went over about 4 charts. Actually, we went over about 5 charts. But let me give you guys one of the 5. Can I do that? Because I want to give you guys just, I don't want to just turn this into sales. Like, let me give you something here. This is one of the things we looked at this morning is what are addresses that are holding 10 or more Bitcoin even doing? And let me give this piece of nugget that you guys can take away with you today. And I'll teach you guys this. I want you guys to start thinking like this. I believe the biggest bull runs in the market come not because of buying power, but because of the lack of selling. And I know that may not sound like just a wordplay to some of you guys, but listen, you can have markets increasing based off buying power, but you can also have selling power increase as well. Okay, you need to look at the ratio. What we can see over here, and let's look at on-chain data, is that when the price of Bitcoin was going up here, this is where we saw the amount of addresses holding 10 Bitcoin or more dropping. That means they went down to, let's call it 5 Bitcoin or more, maybe 1 Bitcoin or more. Anyways, they're falling out in anticipation of the peak coming. Okay, what we're seeing over here is not only an increase, so that means, you know, the cool guys with 10 or more Bitcoin, not only is that cool 10 Bitcoin group growing with more dudes or gals, but so the increase, the people that are holding that is going up, but we're also seeing a lack of selling, meaning that they're holding longer. Okay, and I'll show you guys another stat in the future forecast that shows you guys how we are not seeing, well, for 2 stats. One, the institutions probably already bought in, and I'll literally show you guys the date that they bought in, and I think it already happened, and it's been a drastic decrease of Bitcoin tokens that have been transferred. And so I think we have a massive opportunity right now in this next, I would say in the next few weeks to get money into the market, and anyone who gets in at these lower prices are going to see, I truthfully believe, these multiples of 4 and 5x multiples, maybe even some even more than this. And I'll show you guys exactly what I'm investing into, and then I'll show you guys, because this is something a lot of people are wondering, because we've received some emails about this. Travis, are we in an alt season, or is the alt season coming? Guys, go to our website, look at the macro metrics, and tell me if you guys can see anything based off the macro metrics this morning. Go over here, tradeconfident.io. You guys know the URL by now, I'm sure. Go to macro metrics, and let me just show you this. Do you see something interesting? Do you guys realize that the last couple of days, the Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance have actually been sliding downwards? And we've also been seeing the dominance on the total market cap actually go up? Like, what's going on here? Where is that money actually going? Because we just updated these this morning, but you'll see a study that we took yesterday's dominance of Bitcoin and Ethereum as well as the total market cap. And if money's coming out of Bitcoin and Ethereum, where's it going? Well, there's only 2 spots. It's going to go into USDC, USDT, or it's going to altcoins. Why don't you guys take a look on here where the money's going? And I'll just give you guys a quick peek. Well, that's what's happening with stable coins here. So based off all that data, we took $1,500 this morning. We invested into very specific coins, and I truly believe we can see a 5x multiple on it. So before I leave you guys, let me do a quick analysis. So that's in the membership. You guys can get it. There's a link in the description. You guys will get that analysis that we just did this morning in the future forecast. But then you guys know that we scalp, right? If you guys are brand to this channel, you may not know this. We currently hold the highest win record on all of YouTube for scalping trades. And here's our spreadsheet over here because some people are like, show me proof. Literally every single one of our trades here for the entire year we've kept track of. It's actually open to the public. So we're 252% higher, let me reverse that, 252% total profit called out, 2,520% higher returns than the S&P 500 at 10% a year. We are 63 wins, 0 losses, and 10 active trades that are currently active at the moment. And we're looking to call some more out here pretty soon because I'm the one that calls them out. And I think we have some pretty good entries here coming up. So this is what we're working with over here. So a membership will give you guys access to all of our trade calls as well as how we're going to take our account over here, which let me show you this, $243,000. And we actually have an estimate now of over $1.2 million that we're going to turn this into going past the halving event. I think you guys are going to love what you're going to see over here. And we coach you every single Tuesday and every Friday of how we're going to grow this account. And we take live trades. For the next 34 weeks, we are going to be taking live trades every single Tuesday. So if you wanted someone to come take live trades with, this is probably the spot to be. All right. Now that you guys have all that, let me go into the analysis here, and I'll wrap this up here so you guys can watch other videos and watch the future forecast. Here's what I want you guys to be aware of. I know a lot of people are looking at the weekly time frame. We got the sell signal up here, which did a great job at calling this drop, and now we're buying in lower, so use those indicators, guys. Well, money flow is very high, and we had what's called trades in favor up here, close to about a 78% chance of a drop. These three were lined up, and we saw the drop back down. So what we're watching for here is if we start seeing this market move back down, it gets a little sketchy around a certain point, and let me show you this sketchy point. The point is right here. It takes a very amateur technical analysis guy or gal to draw this line. And the line is basically a price break below this line, anywhere of about 26,500 is an official break of the ascending support line. If we break that, guys, the next strongest structure support is very easy to see. It is right over here, and that's going to be placing us at about 25,000, which is the quarters theory level for Bitcoin. We actually have a strategy that if we go down 48%, we're going to be totally fine. And we'll actually be able to accumulate crypto to make back that money a lot faster. I'm telling you guys, what we're doing over here, I think you're going to like. Here's kind of a bearish sign. The price action on the weekly time frame is below the 100 moving average. The bullish sign I'm looking for, guys, is to see the 50 moving average, the 100 moving average, and the 200 moving average on the weekly time frame all turn green. The moment all these are green, I think we're going to be game on and we're easily going to hit an all-time high for 2023. So watch this. This is called the trend dashboard. This is called the top and bottom finder. This is the price per swell money flow, and this is called trades in favor. When you guys get a membership, you guys also as members end up getting a total of up to $550 off all of our indicators. And it's not like our indicators are $4,000 or something dumb like that. Like they're incredibly reasonable. So snag a membership at tradeconfident.io. Follow the future forecast I just did this morning. You guys can watch this. And then you guys go over to trade setups, because this will show you guys all the trades that we're calling. You'll get access to every single trade we call out. And then the indicators over here that you guys can track with what I was just showing you guys. Get the pro indicator pack, but don't get this until you come over here and click this. The membership is $59 a month. So we're giving you guys about 2.5 months of free membership just by giving you guys $150 off coupon code. You want the top and bottom finder, which is basically this metric over here that has done an insanely good job at calling the tops and bottoms of crypto, which is partly why we have the highest win rate on YouTube for scalping. You guys want to snag that? Go ahead and click this link right here, access coupon code, and we're going to give you, as a member, $300 off. So you're going to pay $59 today, get into that membership, watch the future forecast, get all of our trade calls, and that $59 will give you a $300 off coupon, and we're going to give you a $150 off coupon for the indicators, okay? We made it a no-brainer for people to get into the membership because we really want you guys to see what we're doing over here. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think when you guys see this data, you're going to be like, that is how they're so confident to say they're going to make over $1 million. And so I'm just excited to share that with you guys. All right, I love you guys. It is Tuesday. Jake's got some more videos coming out for you guys. I will come out with another video on Friday if my wife and I are not having our daughter. She is due any day now, so we're very excited about that. But guys, thank you so much for letting me just be excited on this video to share a lot of the membership. I know some of you guys are like, man, you share so much about the membership. Give us more analysis. Guys, Jake's got 2 videos coming out today with crazy analysis, but I come on here and I want to show you guys what we're working with in our membership because I know some of you guys are like, man, I want to find a family. I want to find a home to trade with, and I think we've got something special special for you guys. So guys, God bless you. Have an amazing day. I'll see you guys in the membership watching the future forecast. And then I will come out with another future forecast on Friday to show you guys what I'm going to be doing with my account to grow it up over $1 million. All right, guys, I love you. Take care. And the links are in the description. Bye, guys.